Good day, Sir Ivan. Can you ask some questions about corporate culture?
Good afternoon. Yeah, sure. Sige.
What is your understanding of ethics and corporate culture?
Ethics is all about it's all about the interaction or the attitude of a person or an individual in a certain organization. When in fact, ethics is subjective. Okay, what I mean to say is each one of us has different attitude and characteristics. Okay, in dealing with other people. Then at the end of the day, it's all about how would you respond or adapt the culture of one organization.
Sir, what is the importance of ethics and corporate culture in an organization?
Ethics is important. Okay, so first and foremost, why? Like for example, ethics serves as a driver. At the same time, it will serve as a guide to determine whether the action of one person is according to or in contrast with the so-called corporate objective or corporate goal. So at the end of the day, we can able to identify and determine what is the appropriate policy, or should I say, rules and regulations to implement, just to ensure that each and every one are really performing the task that has been assigned to them. And at the same time, doesn't talk about earning a profit for the organization, but to ensure the relationship, not just relationship, but a long-term relationship on the part of each employees.
Can you share with us the ethics and culture that you have in your organization?
Based on my experience now for how many semesters or years here in this institution, I would say that first culture, should I say, practice. Yes, the what's called the teamwork. Okay. So if you need a help from your colleagues or yes to anyone or from other people, it is easy to approach them, and at the same time they're willing to extend your help. And then at the same time, there's a what's called the environment is happy actually. So I am a type of employees which I think I am subjective that I decided to stay in a company, not just because of the amount you receive, because the main reason is you're happy of what you're doing, plus the good relationship to your colleagues or to your coworkers. So I guess that is something that motivates me to continue and be passionate enough of what I am doing.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.